Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a schedule for our dark mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To set up our schedule, we have to go to Settings, and under Display we have Dark Mode Settings. Dark mode is this one, of course. We have a few settings here. For example, we can choose this as our sun sets or rise. Yes, we have to have our navigation turned on, or we can choose custom, and we can switch it however we want. Don't forget to set up done, and as you can see, now our schedule is set. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.